Welcome back everyone to another tutorial for the MotoGP 25 game. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change the commentary language within this game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up MotoGP 25 on your device, and once you are taken into the main menu, you may continue playing from the various different game modes right away. Now, if you wish to change the commentary language within your races, simply press the Y button to enter the settings menu or click on the settings icon at the top right corner. This will then take you into the settings page, from which you can navigate into the language menu by pressing the right bumper key 5 times. Once you are inside the language page, the first option is the game language and the second option is the race commentary language. Make sure to only change the second option, which is the race commentary language. This will not change any other option automatically. However, if you change the game language, it will automatically change your race commentary language as well as your subtitle language automatically. So only choose the race commentary language that you wish to use, and once you have found your desired language, you can just go back and your changes will be saved. You can then continue to play your game with your chosen commentary language applied right away, and you may come back to this page at any point of time if you once again wish to change your commentary language. So there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your commentary language on the MotoGP 25 game. If you find this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.